Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble level app. First, locate and open the app on your smartphone. This handy tool utilizes your phone's internal sensors, like the accelerometer, to detect angles and tell you if a surface is perfectly flat or straight. It's a digital version of a traditional spirit level, making it incredibly convenient for many tasks. You can often find it within your phone's pre-installed tools or by searching online. For the most accurate readings, calibrating your bubble level app is essential. To do this, place your phone screen side up on a perfectly flat surface, like a sturdy table or floor. Then, find and press the calibration button within the app. This sets the current position as the 0 point, correcting any minor sensor errors. Some apps even let you calibrate each side of your phone independently for enhanced precision. A bubble level app is incredibly versatile for many everyday tasks. At home, it's perfect for hanging pictures or shelves, ensuring they are perfectly straight. When assembling furniture, it helps confirm that all pieces are level and stable. You can also use it to check the alignment of appliances like your washing machine. For outdoor activities, it's handy for leveling a picnic table or even a camping trailer. To get the best results from your bubble level app, always ensure your phone is placed steadily on the surface. Avoid any wobbling or uneven contact, as this can affect accuracy. For larger surfaces, check several points to confirm consistent leveling. While convenient, remember that phone apps may not always match the precision of professional physical tools. For critical projects, using a traditional spirit level for comparison can provide extra confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.